Hello and welcome back to Home Design Inspiration and Ideas, your ultimate source for all things beautiful in home decor and design. Step into the warmth of a Scandinavian Christmas, where simplicity meets timeless coziness. Scandinavian holiday decor is all about creating a hygge-inspired environment filled with natural elements, soft textures, and minimalistic beauty. Light plays a central role in Nordic design, so include glowing candles, string lights, or paper star lanterns to brighten those long winter nights. Scandinavian decor celebrates the beauty of nature and the joy of togetherness, making your home feel welcoming and serene. Whether you're designing a centerpiece for your dining table, styling a cozy corner, or decorating a tree, these ideas will inspire you to embrace the understated elegance of a Nordic Christmas. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more festive inspiration. Happy decorating!